In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Outlook calendar not syncing. Here I have the new version of the Outlook application open, and I also have the classic version of the Outlook application open as well. I will show you how to sync it in both versions. From here in the inbox folder of your Outlook, what you can do is you can go to View, then you can see the sync button here. From there, click that, and then just wait for the syncing to finish. And then when that is finished, your calendar should now be fixed right here in your calendar page. For the classic version of Outlook, to do this, you can go right here to the Send and Receive tab in the ribbon, and then from there, just click Send and Receive All Folders. You just need to wait for that to finish as well because it is syncing information for your Outlook account, and then after it is finished, you can just go ahead and go to the calendar page to see if it is now fixed. If you are still having some problems, here in the classic version of Outlook, what you can do is that you can double check if we dismiss this, if your work offline feature is turned on. Because if this is turned on, what will happen is that you are disconnected from the server. And if you are disconnected from the server, your calendar will not be synced properly. If you have done everything in both the classic version of Outlook and the new version of Outlook and it's still not working, what we can do is that we can just use the repair feature of Microsoft. To do that, go to the control panel here and then go to the programs and features. And from there, just type in Microsoft in the search bar. If you're using the personal Microsoft account, you can use the Microsoft 365, but if you're using a business Microsoft account, you can use the Microsoft 365 apps for business. So just choose which one you're using. And then click the change button here, and from here click yes, and then you have two options. You could either use the quick repair option or the online repair. I prefer using the quick repair option because this will fix most issues quickly without needing an internet connection. But if it's still not working, you can then attempt to use the online repair feature after. This will fix every issue you have, but it will take significantly longer and you will need to have a steady internet connection throughout the entire process. But that is how you guys can fix your Outlook calendar not syncing with a few different methods. So try all of these and one of these will definitely work. If this video was helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.